Now we're going to see if we can get the commercial 12 to start, and it hasn't been started for probably a month, and it's kind of pitch black out here, and I got to go through all this snow to get to the shed. And you can hear the wind probably whipping. It's nuts. It's just absolutely nutty out here. I think it's pretty much done snowing, but they just canceled school for my kids tomorrow, which is crazy. Let's see. Whew. All right, we made it to the shed. Whew. Now let's see. I'm sorry that this is so dark, but it's pitch black out here. Let's see. I'm expecting the battery will be dead on the commercial 12 here, so I brought my jumper pack with me. I'm going to have to put some gas in this thing for sure. Let's see if I can get the hood open here and in the gas tank. Yeah, there's like pretty much nothing in the gas tank. Oh, I can find my funnel in the dark. That's good. And let's see, gas can. Oh, here's a gas can. What do you know? Let's see. It's even covered with snow. Classic. All right, let's see what we got here. Whew. Whew, man, it's cold. Okay. I don't have a ton of gas here. I think that is plenty. I'm probably gonna have to put some gas in the 8163B also. Okay, put this funnel away. Try to touch the funnel with the bare hand so I don't get gas smell on my winter gloves. Now, I gotta open up the fuel tank valve. Let's see here. Yeah, this freaking Walmart Value Power is a piece of crap battery too, so let's see what happens. The choke cable on this thing is kind of frozen. Just get my jumper pack out of the way. And this thing usually likes to be an idle and full choke. And I gotta manually hit the choke with my hand there. Let's see what happens. Will it be dead, or will there be some life? Let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah! Uh-oh, crapped out. It's running like crap. Let's see if we can get it going again. Opened up the wheel valve on the car here. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What's wrong with this piece of crap? Sounds to me like it's an electrical problem. Let's see. I think it's starving out of gas or something. Shit. What the fuck? Awesome. I'm gonna get some carb cleaner, and I really don't know what the issue is here, but I have a feeling it's fuel related. I'm gonna take this air cleaner off and spray some carb cleaner in there. I wouldn't be shocked if there was ice in the bowl or something stupid like that. Let's see. Fuck. As I drop the air cleaner right into the snow. Let's see. That's a ton of carb cleaner. Let's see what happens if I try to fire it up. Probably be totally flooded. Yeah, we got a fuel problem. Come on, you piece of junk. The heck? What the hell, man? I have to check the spark, I guess. My Harbor Freight spark tester out. It's got spark. Yeah, now it runs. It's gotta be something stuck in the car. Just gotta be. Gas coming in this thing or what? That's really the question. Whoa. The fuel line on the carb is like totally shrunk. It's like, I doubt that gas could even get in this thing. Let's take it off. Put a rubber line on. Holy shit. I'll come back to this maybe after dinner. Oh, what the fuck is going on here?